Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saint-Roch-des-Aulnaies is a small municipality on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River in eastern Quebec. It is located between Quebec City and Rivière-du-Loup and is part of the Chaudière-Appalaches region. Today, the population is around 1,000 people, giving the community a quiet and rural atmosphere that reflects much of traditional Quebec village life. The area was first settled during the French colonial period. The seigneurial system played an important role in the development of the community, as land along the St. Lawrence River was divided into long, narrow farms stretching inland from the water. This pattern can still be seen today in the landscape surrounding the village. Saint-Roch-des-Aulnaies officially became a parish in the 18th century. The parish was named after Saint Roch, a Catholic saint associated with healing and protection, while the name Aulnaies refers to alder trees that once grew in large numbers along the shoreline and nearby wetlands. One of the most important historic landmarks in the municipality is the Seigneurie des Aulnaies. This historic estate includes a manor house, flour mill, and several preserved buildings that help tell the story of rural life in Quebec during the 18th and 19th centuries. The water-powered flour mill remains one of the best preserved examples of its kind in the province. The Seigneurie des Aulnaies became an important local center for farming and trade. Farmers from nearby communities would bring grain to the mill, where it was processed into flour using the power of the river. For many years, the mill supported the local economy and served as a gathering place for residents of the surrounding countryside. The region surrounding the village is known for farming, forestry, and scenic river landscapes. The nearby St. Lawrence River has always been important for transportation, trade, and fishing. Long before roads connected the region, the river acted as the main highway for travel and communication across eastern Canada. Today, Saint-Roch-des-Aulnaies attracts visitors interested in Quebec history, architecture, and rural scenery. The preserved historic buildings, open farmland, and views of the river provide a glimpse into an older way of life that has largely disappeared from many parts of North America. Throughout the year, the changing seasons transform the landscape. Spring brings green fields and flowing rivers, summer fills the countryside with activity, autumn colors cover the hillsides, and winter blankets the region in snow. These seasonal changes remain an important part of daily life for residents of the area. Although small in size, Saint-Roch-des-Aulnaies represents an important piece of Quebec history. Its preserved seigneurial estate, traditional farmland, and riverside setting continue to reflect the province's colonial past and rural heritage. The village remains a quiet reminder of how communities along the St. Lawrence River help shape the history and development of Quebec. Thanks for watching!